welcome back to this new update. I'm going to run through a few projects that I had been working on over the last month. I finally got my NCE system back from the company after it was repaired. We initially thought it was something with the power cab, but it turns out that it was actually the brand new Cabo 6 that I had received as a gift for Christmas. So they repaired it. It's all set. Took me a little bit to get it up and running, but once I did, it seems to be fine. So we can show you that in a little bit. And I did a lot of projects just around on the structures that I had so far. I got a new background structure that I'll show you, a roof detail kit, some fire escapes that I put together, and a few pieces of rolling stock, I think I've acquired, and did some detailing work on some of those. So let me show you around what I've been working on. So this is the new background structure that I recently finished. I need to work on the roof details a little bit. But this was the plant number 4, I think, kit from Walder's. And this was in a previous video, but I was unaware that it came with this extra section here, which was a bonus. So I added that. It was in the box, so I kit bashed it, put it on. The original structure was only supposed to be that part of the facade, so worked out great. The color, I think, works well with my other kits. It's different enough, but similar enough that it fits in with the rest. So that's that new structure, and I put the fire escapes on from the Tiki Train Group company, and those were kind of fun to build, and I had 2 sets of those. So that's one set there, and over here on the other structure that I recently finished, that's the other set of the fire escapes, and they were pretty fun to build, and I think they look pretty good where they are. I had to modify one of them. It wasn't this one, I think it was this one, so that I could fit it in between this area here. The railings on the side here come right to the side of the window, but I cut out the step area a little bit so that it would fit on the other side of the bricks that come out with which the ladder is placed on. It's kind of hard to see, but I had to cut a little bit of this part out over here so that it would fit. And so that's that. I also recently purchased some figures. So this guy's not exactly where he's gonna probably stay, but he looks pretty good there for now. So I've also been working on the roofs of a lot of these. I got a detail kit, as well as I've been going back and putting in the panels, or the kind of the tarred strips on the roofs. So I did this one as it was complete. I finished this one. It's probably a little too light. It still needs some more weathering. And I recently finished doing these 2 parts of this structure. I had done that one before, and it came out okay, and then I just finished those two buildings. This one I had done not too long ago as well, and they're different techniques. I think this one here and these 2, as well as the one in the back there, it's cardstock that I cut in strips and glued down onto the whatever material I had for the roof originally, and then weathered them, and I think they look pretty good. They're kind of different sizes. I think these are all pretty much the same width, so those look consistent. These are painted on, I believe. I just painted them. That one's, again, the cardstock. I need to weather that one a little bit more. This one's probably a little too wide, so I may redo that, and I need to touch up the back edge of this. So that's pretty much it for the update. There's still a few little things that need to get done that are on the short list, not to mention all the other major projects that I have on the longer list that need to get worked out. But that's it for now. Haven't done anything else really that hasn't been noted before, so stay tuned for future updates on the next projects that will be underway. And the rest of the video is going to be kind of a miscellaneous op session. Just a lot of running in the last couple days since I got my system back up and running. So enjoy, see you next time, stay tuned.